Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Power on the phone and insert the SIM card before starting the setup. Follow the on-screen language and accessibility options to customize input. Connect to a Wi-Fi network to save mobile data during activation and system updates. Accept terms and conditions only after a quick review of permissions and privacy choices. Sign in with your Google account to restore apps, contacts, and settings from backup. Skip or enable automatic restore based on your preference for saved passwords and app data. Enable Find My Device and set a secure screen lock like PIN or fingerprint. Open Settings and go to Display to adjust brightness, font size, and 16:9 screen scaling options. Navigate to Privacy and Permissions to review location, microphone, and camera access for each app. Disable permissions you do not need to protect your data and battery. Set autoplay and background data limits for apps to reduce unwanted activity and preserve battery life. Turn on Wi-Fi calling if supported and choose the preferred mobile network band under Network Settings. Pair Bluetooth devices from the Bluetooth menu and manage device permissions for stability. Enable Google Backup to save apps, contacts, and settings, and set an automatic backup schedule. Review location accuracy and battery optimization to balance performance and battery life. Activate two-factor authentication on your Google account for stronger login security, and review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.